Howdy folks, Monkey Cookout 10, this time at Nob End. Nob End at the Meccano Bridge. It raises a few smiles. Viva Nob End! Yeah, so we've got already, we've got 4 monkeys, a CT and a Aprilia, and the Bergman over there as well. So got a few already. 7 up to now. Still got half an hour before we said we'd be meeting up. There's the reprobates. This is Monkey Mark the reprobate.
Hey, thanks for getting me right.
Darren.
You alright?
Nob End,
Nob End's a Nob End.
Going to Nob End.
We're going to Nob End.
Ho ho ho!
Santa Monkey. Here we go. You got Griff. And who's this? What's your name? Where are you from?
Harry Bentham.
Harry, nice to meet you, Harry.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh, brilliant. And here's Dave. Here's Dave in the background here.
I'm not going to Nob End. I've met enough of them on
I ain't going to Nob End.
I've met enough of them on the bloody road. Dipsticks. And then the rest of them were from Wales.
So you're not going to Nob End?
20 miles an hour. Yeah, I'm going up there, yeah.
Pardon?
I'm going up.
You coming to Nob End?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Be great. Good stuff. And what are you on? You're on the DeVille?
Yeah. Hey, 204 quid.
204 quid?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
It was advertised as repairs.
Flipping heck. That's brilliant, that. Viva Nob End. Mexican standoff.
Another one.
Viva! Viva! Nob End. So I think I'll make myself a quick brew before we go to Nob End. When we get to Nob End, there's also a thing called Meccano Bridge, which is made out of a bridge made out of Meccano, and all the benches are as well. And they're basically 10 times the scale of Meccano, but they weigh 1,000 times more per piece. But should look good for even the Monkey Revolution. So Billy Mack's arrived and he's not had front wheel up yet. He'll have to spin bike round. Let's get this wheel up. All right. And here's Mike. I do. Viva.
That's enough. You give us a bad name, you.
Have you stuck
You're a scouser, you've already got a fucking bad name. Don't worry. You can't have anything else.
Oh man. 2, 3,
CB
4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Right, we're going to head to Nob End. Love saying that. Viva Nob End.
Viva the Bell End.
Nob Enders, are you ready?
Nob Enders, are you ready?
Nob End. Viva Nob End. Here we go, Oliver. Woohoo! Viva! How do Monkey Dick's Adventures? So we've just got to Nob End. A couple of extra people have turned up. So Nigel's turned up and Carl. We lost one on the way, so I think we've got about 11 of us now. This is Meccano Bridge. Viva! Look at that. So this bridge from Meccano is made with pieces that are 10 times the scale, but they weigh 1,000 times per piece, and actually made to resemble the ones that come in the packets. That's exactly what it says on the tin. It's a bit dirtier than it was when I've seen it on the old pictures, but this just looks fantastic. Look at this. Viva Nob End. There's the 8-mile marker to Manchester. And this used to be the canal. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Industrial heritage here. I believe that the canal carried on from here through to Rochdale at one point. Look at that. Viva!
Can you see me, mother?
Is your mother here? Viva! So, Monkey Dicks, your roving reporter at Nob End, the Meccano Bridge. There's Nigel. Viva! This is Carl's new monkey bike. Oh, look at this! He's got his thumb on Nob End. End locks. Viva.
Oh, that's the rumour. I'm going down there, Dean,
Yeah, it's there's just all these men hanging around Nob End.
I reckon we all put our knobs through there, but mine won't fit.
Oh dear. You're alright. Here's Santa Monkey, our resident photographer.
You see that?
What you like, you guys? This just looks fantastic. Yeah, we're going to bring the bikes down here and have a cookout. Viva. Look at that, that's amazing. Viva Nob End. Viva last Nob End. Viva last
at home
Nob
here.
End. I know.
Meccano and being a knobhead.
Nob End.
This, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beaver.
Woo, Viva. Ah. Viva. Here eight. The building in the background is now a cattery, but it used to be a pub called the Nob Inn at Nob End. You couldn't write it. Take it easy, brother. Well done. spot for a cookout. What an absolute spot. Viva Nob End! Viva Nob End! Look at this. Fantastic this, Mum.
Oh, you mean it's more bearable? Yeah.
What a place, eh?
More a place.
So we've started the cookout. People are getting the stuff out of the boxes in Nob End. Woo. I'll just show you around what everyone's cooking. So, Griff.
Scouse.
Griff is doing a scouse, which is ironic.
What is it? Scouse?
Stew, the same thing. Yeah.
It's what police
Cobble.
RSU in the name of the law. Here's Billy Mac. Billy Mac with hot dogs on. Let's have a look down here. Look at that.
Tremendous.
Big hot dogs for Nob End. Nob End for Nob End. Oh, Nigel, you cooking?
No, I might have a cup of coffee in a minute. I've just had a can of Coke.
Viva. Santa Monkey. Viva.
How are we?
Not so bad. Who's cooking what? What have we got? So Monkey Mark, what are you on?
Brockwursts.
Oh, bratwurst.
Brockwurst sausages.
And you're on, what's this? Potatoes and everything going on.
Potatoes and soups, chunky soups.
Potatoes and chunky soup, fantastic. Oh,
Or a growing lad.
we got
Vegetable biryani.
oh, like, is it the same one as you had at Thingy?
No,
No,
that was a breakfast.
right.
And bow and pies.
Bowen pies on Bowen pies, are you?
Bit of bone grills.
Cooked a Subway.
You've cooked a Subway, fantastic. It's all right.
You on, Dean?
Van?
What are you eating?
I'm on 2 burgers.
Burgers.
Potatoes.
I know you got taters going. Look at that. Taters on Saturday.
Nob End.
Nob End.
Nob End.
What are you cooking?
Nothing.
Nothing. No?
Just stay for a bit and I'm going.
Okie dokie. It's looking good. It's looking good. Oh, it's starting. Burgers and it's going to be.
Good job that we gave some Meccano Bridge rather than some other bridge. It's plastic, it's melted plastic all over.
Got some mushrooms put on in a bit. Mega mushrooms. Hot dogs are still doing well. Griff there with his mega kettle. Look at that. Hey.
She says, that looks cute.
So we're cooking on a big Meccano table at Nob End. Hey, tell you what, round this, it's like we're a bunch of borrowers. It's round a big piece of Meccano.
Yeah, I think it put him off that. A group of old men on the little boys' bikes.
Yeah, well, I want to look at that. I reckon it's nice, that one, isn't it?
A couple of our revolutionaries are going. Glenn's going, and Santa Monkey. See you, Glenn.
Yeah, see you, Dave. What are you doing?
Cheers. See you, Santa Monkey. Stephen, take care, brother. Right, safe. So I'm walking down what would have been the towpath at the side of this canal, leading to Rochdale the other way. Unbelievable when you look down. Apparently there was a breach in the 1920s and they had to close this section and it's never opened again. Got the heritage there though. Across and you see the wall and the bushes on the other side. Really, really wide. Feats of engineering this. Viva. People putting the world to rights.
This is evidence. This.
I know, don't speak.
No, I know, yeah. Say
Look at this.
nothing.
Don't give anything away.
He's not joining the Douglas 4, is he?
Yeah.
Head gasket's gone about 3 times. Got to the point where
Let's go back over the bridge again. There's Darren contemplating his navel
Hey?
at Nob End.
I'm just checking out the holes for size.
It's gorgeous, isn't it, here, man?
And the sun's out.
I know.
It'd be nice if the canal was still there, wouldn't it?
I know. It'd be gorgeous, wouldn't it? Quite a bit of engineering this, though, when you think about it, isn't it? This bridge.
But it's easier than when you're messing with the canal.
I know.
Get a boat
Yeah?
from here to somewhere else. And then another boat. That used to take it 5 hours
Flipping heck.
to get to somewhere like Manchester.
Yeah. I do good.
It's all dried up.
Exploring Nob End. So these were the locks on the canal. Look at that. That is unbelievable. These reprobates over here. The reprobates. Viva! Fantastic. So, it's a farewell to the Nobs. Monkey Dick's reporting, Nob End reporter. Viva, guys.
Do you know him?
I know.
You had some.
You get everywhere I go, he's there.
Have you had a good time at Nob End? There you go. Viva. It's been great. Thanks for coming to Nob End.
Indian.
Thanks for coming to Nob End.
Anytime.
Do you come here often?
I do.
Thanks for coming to Nob End.
No, thanks mate. Thanks for putting
Thanks
it
for
on.
thanks
Really
for
enjoyed
thanks
it.
for coming to Nob End. Darren, thanks for coming to Nob End.
You getting off?
Yeah, do you come here often?
Take the two out.
Cheers. Thanks, Marv.
No worries.
Here, look at that.
Nob End.
Nearly a Nob End then.
Nob End.
Viva. Farewell to Meccano Bridge. It's been good. Been cool. Get that. And that's where we had our lunch. Viva. A lot quieter now without these knobs. Back up. Long way.
What's down there then?
There's like a little, like three bridges next to each other. One of them's like a big aqueduct. And then there's this other one that's a big flat one with like suspension bits. Then there's this tiny one that we went over. Go to the other side, then it just goes like that.
Yeah. So you all just turn around and come back?
Yeah, spin it around and come back.
That's what I was
doing anyway.
I watched the fella on the Benelli in front of me trying to get over the step, and I thought, I'll go back. he just beached his bike, he's there rocking it like a seesaw.
It's been a grand day, that.
I'll be driving home with this open.
A bit of wind down there. I'm going to ride home with the fly open, a bit of wind around.
Forward to number 11.
Yeah.
Just like we didn't get stuck, we just got delayed a couple of seconds.
The next one, can we go a bit further afield?
I always forget. Well, we have done on some of them, haven't we? But
I've not been here, that's the problem.
after somebody. I won't mind doing Matlock. Be a good one.
Yeah.
I'll sit for Matlock.